Hello and welcome to BiGDUG's DIY how-tos. Today we're going to look at tiles and more specifically a nice straight line. As you can see here, I've got some tiles laid out as they probably would be against a wall. There's a gap here. I want to fill that gap with a tile. Now I could measure that with a tape measure, but actually here's a little tip. Take the tile you want to cut, place it on top of the one out from the wall, line it up, take another tile and place it on top of this first tile. As you can see, I'm using spacers to give me exactly the right distance from the wall. Then, when I draw a line down through here, that gives me exactly the right size of that space just here. And that's the bit we're going to cut and fit into there. We recommend you wear PPE when cutting tiles. So I've got my line that I've already made, and I'm going to cut it with a scribe. Now this scribe is made of tungsten carbide, and what I'm going to do is score down the tile. This creates a nice line. Now the thing is, you must go right to the end of the tile. If you don't, you might get one of those little chips in the corner. Now that we've scribed it, this is the tip. Take your pencil, put it directly underneath the line, hold one side of the tile and then just apply pressure on the other side of the tile. There you go. There's your cut tile. Very, very simple tools. Put it back into place. And there you go. If you like the video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.